Hey everybody, Ian here. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a little quick channel update video for everybody here. I know I haven't posted in a while. I think September of 24 was the last time I posted a video. It's now August of 2025. Been busy with the Air Force. Got home recently, getting situated, resettled back into everything. Home for the next foreseeable future, depending on what happens into the strange world that we live in right now. And the honey-do list pretty much grew while I was gone. So there's a bunch of stuff that needs to be done, a bunch of content that obviously needs to be filmed for that. A bunch of stuff with the tractors, a bunch of stuff with the house, maybe this yellow thing right over here, and trains too. And that's one of the decisions I wanted to kind of just talk about really quickly in this video here, is that I'm going to be moving the model trains and the full-size train stuff onto a different channel. The link's going to be posted in the description below. Just going to keep everything separated from the main channel, and so if you can, that way, if you're looking for the tractor stuff, you get tractor stuff location. If you're looking for the train stuff's location. So, like I said, welcome back everybody. We got plenty of content coming up. I'm looking to be posting every Sunday again, so we'll see you soon.